Hello everyone! Welcome to this role-playing simulation on a business loan application process. Today, GreenTech Solution is seeking a 1 million loan from the bank to expand its production capacity. Let's dive into the various perspectives and see our group plays a role in the decision-making process.
So good morning to Bank XXX. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to represent our business portfolio to seek a loan from you guys. We are a green tech solution company, a small manufacturing company that specializes in eco-friendly products. As for today, we are seeking for a 1 million loan to purchase a new machinery and to expand our production in this market. Well, this is the document that I give to you regarding our credit and also the property that we use as a collateral. As you can see in this document, we have a limited credit history and also we offer to you guys our commercial property to secure the loan with a value of 1.5 million ringgit. And this property is essential to our business operation and we believe in this investment will improve our revenues growth in the future. By offering our commercial property as our collateral, it allows my company to access the loan we need without impacting our operational fund, and the property value is more than enough to cover the loan, and we are confident by this investment will increase our revenue in the future. However, by giving the property as the collateral to the bank, this will risk to us by losing it if we are unable to repay the loan in the future, and also this can hurt our business operation, especially if the value of the property decreases.
Thank you for the detailed presentation. I see that the collateral offer, the commercial property is valued at 1.5 million ringgit Malaysia, which cover the loan request. However, we need to assess how the market fluctuation might impact this property. Given the property market has experienced some volatility, we need to be sure the collateral will retain its value should GreenTech default on the loan.
That's true, Wafi. The value and the marketability of the collateral also are very important factors in our bank lending decisions. So I was a bit afraid if the property value drops significantly due to the market volatility, as you have been mentioned just now, Wafi, we might face challenges in recovering the loan amount if necessary. So this actually could directly impact our ability to meet the capital requirements and risk exposure.
The reason why we assign 100% weak to loans secured by commercial property is because of its higher risk. Ensure that the bank complies with capital adequacy regulations set by financial authorities like Bank Negara Malaysia. It ensures that we have that required capital on hand to cover the risk, but it also means less flexibility in approving other loans. The policy will ensure that the bank is protected in case the property value decreases, which is something we need to monitor closely.
From a risk perspective, GreenTech Stable's cash flow is very positive, but overall, the company has a very tight cash and also moderate profitability is very concerning for us. We need to consider the risk of future cash shortfalls. Just in case the company faces operational or market challenges. If the GreenTech cash flow becomes insufficient to service the loan, as example the negative cash inflows, the bank will have to seize the collateral, the commercial property lah in this case. The value of the property is not guaranteed as it involves the volatility of the market. This risk also is very important in the decision-making process. Just in case if the market value decline, then the value of the property might insufficient to cover the loan. We will also need to ensure that GreenTech won't have any other significant debt, as this would complicate the process of the liquidation, because this means the liquidation process will go to the other debts before it comes to us, the bank. So this also could, since the property has become the collateral, Once the property is seized, then the company will lose their ability to operate and generate their sales. Not to mention, if the current collateral property value isn't sufficient to recover debt, we may have to proceed to recover the debt balance through the personal belongings, such as a personal property. Okay, now I'll pass the document to the external auditor.
I reviewed the financial cash flow. GreenTech has a stable but tight cash flow and a moderate profitability outlook. However, I do recommend that GreenTech improves its cash flow projection to ensure they can service the loan, especially with tight margins. It's important to provide a realistic forecast to expected revenues increase to strengthen the loan's application. Besides collateral, we need to evaluate GreenTech's overall financial health, cash flow stability, management experience, and the company's ability to adapt to the market conditions are crucial. The lenders should look at the company's long-term growth potential and not just the property as a collateral.
After reviewing the loan application, the risk analyst and the financial statement, we decided to approve the loan with condition. The commercial property will be used as collateral, but the loan term will include strict limitation. On selling or transferring the property without the bank consent, we will also need regular review of GreenTech cash flow to ensure they remain on track to repay the loan.
So, if the GreenTech lender decide to sell the property, the loan agreement will likely impose a restriction clause that prevent the sale or transfer without our consent. And this is quite crucial because we need to ensure the bank's security interests are maintained and the loan remains protected. So these restrictions are very vital to ensure the collateral is not compromised.
So I understand the bank concern and I agree with the conditions set by the bank. And the collateral will remain secure and we will provide a monthly update on our cash flow projections. And we will committed to using the loan responsibly and look forward to the opportunity to expand our business in this market.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, did you learn something from our roleplay? The roleplay that you watched shows the process of securing a business loan. GreenTech Solutions applied for 1 million to expand their operations, offering commercial property as collateral. The bank reviewed their financials, accessories, and considered market volatility. The risk analysis highlighted concerns about tight cash flow and potential property value decline. The external auditor confirmed the financial data but advised better cash flow projections. In the end, the loan was approved with conditions, including restrictions on selling the property and regular financial reviews. This simulation shows how clear communication and risk evaluation are key in business financing, and we believe this roleplay is able to answer all the questions given to us. Thank you everyone for watching our roleplay.